Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. And welcome back to another episode of 45th Outdoors. It's Tournament Wednesday.
It is.
Northwest Michigan Fishing Club puts on a weekly Wednesday tournament. And we've been fishing in them last summer, quite a few.
Yeah.
And this is the second. We missed the first this year. But we're out and we're going to be trying to catch big walleye. All we need is one fish. It's big fish. We might putz around for some perch maybe, but walleye is the main target. And we're going to be trying just about everything. We're going to be trolling possibly, drifting. There's a good wind out here with maybe some night crawl harnesses. Maybe doing some jig stuff on the shore. So we have to blast off though because we got 10 minutes to get where we want to go. Chris showed up to the launch about 3 minutes ago, so we got to get going.
The perch. There we go. That's a fish.
Bass, isn't it?
I don't know. Yeah. Big old largemouth. Yeah, might as well just make it fast. There you go.
Gee, that's a
Tank.
that might be 5 pounds.
That's a tank there. Not quite what we were looking for, but still really nice largemouth.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Going back.
Nice. Well, no skunk. All right, the bobber's paying off. Oh, Chris, we need this one. We need this one. This is a walleye. It's a huge walleye, Chris. This is the winner. This wins. It's a huge walleye. That could win. That could win. Yeah, dude. That fish right there could do it, Chris. Hold that fish up real quick. I'll get the tape for you.
There we go. Candidate.
What do you got? 20 and a half?
Yeah, 20 and a half.
20 and a half. That's a decent fish. It's running, and it should be all the way full and ready to go. Oh no, it came back up. Nope, it's back down. He just barely had it in his schnoots. This is a better one. It's at moments like these that you really are happy that you got quality gear. This is a better one. I don't think it's gonna beat yours, but it's decent.
Looks like a nice fish.
Ooh, I don't know. This might be a good one.
It looked pretty good.
Ooh, that's a long one.
You got a crawler harness in him.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that.
You got it wrapped all around him.
We're gonna be able to save this fish.
Yeah.
We're bobber fishing, and we just caught this walleye, and it's got a crawler harness like wrapped around it. So this is not going to be bigger than the one we already got in the box. But do you have a knife on you?
Yep.
Let's free this guy. I think that should do it. Look at that.
Oh, I just had a bobber go down.
Did ya? Alright.
Well,
Yeah.
Go back out.
Alright. 15, 16 incher. Nothing crazy. Letting him go. They're starting to bite now.
Yeah.
Bobber down. Let's see. There you
You want to reel this one, other one in a little bit, so I don't get in all the slack. Yep. All right. We're right here. This feels like a nice fish.
beauty.
That's another really nice fish.
And it's a good one. Just bobber fishing.
Yep.
Put it on the tape. How big do you think it is?
I don't think he's quite as big, but well, he's longer for sure. He's almost 22. We'll take him and weigh him both.
Feel good?
Yep. For now. Yep, not real big. But
Yeah, we'll go right back. Don't let him take it too hard. If he's got it down, it's in his mouth. Nicely done. Nicely done, Chris.
bass? Smallie? Rock bass.
Oh, you got a boat flipper rock bass. That's a nice one.
That's a good one.
If that's a 12 incher, it's a master angler.
Is it?
You might get cut a master angler rock bass. That's a dandy rock.
Lost one.
Yep. Tell you what. Kill him.
It's hard to beat.
You're killing me.
All right,
man.
it's coming up right here.
Telling you, Chris is getting done.
Number 9.
It's 8:52, so we're gonna bobber fish for 8 more minutes, and then we are going to start trolling. That's always what we used to do growing up, so I think that's what we're gonna do now. The childhood bobber spot's working, so that's good.
Yeah, that is pretty
So we're going to 8 more minutes, start trolling. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Chris. Oh shit. That's a bass. It's gotta be a bass. It's on the water twice already.
good fish.
It's a big old smallie. That's a nice small mouth. Chris, what did you get there?
Nice big old chunk smallie. I'll go with that largemouth earlier.
Oh boy. Well,
Coming back.
awesome. I'm hearing it from Chris right now because he just caught this fish up in 2.5 foot of water. Nice what? 17 inch?
Probably 17, yeah.
On a scatter wrap.
Black and gold.
Behind a board. What, 15 feet?
Yeah, 15 foot behind a board.
So, but we've got fish that beat this, so we are just gonna let him go and let him grow. Cool fin there.
Yeah.
Right.
Unique.
Help with this, but I can get
What do they got going on?
nice fish right now.
I don't know why my flash turned off. Oh, it's got eyes glowing.
Dude, that is a nice
All right.
eye.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the video down for a minute.
No, I can do it.
You can nut that giant fish right there. Ben, do not lose this fish. You want me to net it?
No.
That's
Here, keep the light on it, Chris.
don't lose it. You want me to net it?
No.
Dude, we just won.
We just won.
Oh my god, It's a 30-inch walleye, Ben.
Chris.
Hey, tell me I'm right.
Chris. Give me some light.
Don't let that fucker out of there.
Chris.
Hold it up, man.
Look at that fish. That's not a 30, that's a 26.
Yeah, I'd say 26, 27.
That's a beauty. Let's get him on the board. Nose down.
7 minutes left in the tournament. We've already got 2 decent fish. But this is
26 on the nose. Beautiful.
awesome.
2600. Let's get him in the live well.
Just left weigh in. It was only big fish. Our biggest one was 5 pounds, 10 ounces.
Work on that big one.
Here, get that big one in there. There you go.
All right, we're off the water. We're back home.
Yep. Caught 13 walleye, 2 really nice bass. Didn't get any footage of the weigh-in. We were in the last boat.
You
to
caught
pull
that
out.
really nice rock bass.
Yeah, I caught a really nice rock bass.
Didn't get the weigh-in though. It's just getting late. We were the last boat off the launch and had to run and get those walleyes back in the water. But next time we're gonna get more footage of the weigh-in.
Yeah.
But we did take it with that bag, so that's good. And thanks for watching. And as always,
Keep your lines wet.
see you next time.